What in the world is a lasso tool and what the heck do you use it for? Let me show you how this one tool will be the most used tool in Goodnotes and how you will use it for pretty much everything that you do. The lasso tool is basically the tool that you use to move everything around in your digital planner. Your lasso tool is going to be right here, and when you click on it, you have a few different options. So you have the rectangle, and what that means is when you tap and drag, it's going to drag in a rectangle. This is what I prefer to use because it's just a lot easier, but you can also do it as freehand, and what that means is you'll have to complete a loop to be able to move something around. You can also kind of just like scribble and it will complete it for you, but you might pick up something that you don't want to. There's also some other options under here, under your lasso tool. So this is where you can tell Goodnotes what you're wanting to pick up. So let's say that I wanted to move this text box, but I don't want to move the stickers around it. What I would do, I would turn off images and make sure text boxes is turned on. And then whenever I lassoed, let me turn that back to rectangle. Whenever I lasso the text box, only the text is going to move and not the stickers. Same thing if I wanted just the stickers to move but not the text box, I'm going to turn text boxes off, turn images on, and then I can move the stickers. Now you can do a few different things with the lasso tool. Let's say that I wanted to make the sticker bigger. So I'm going to lasso over top of the sticker, make sure you turn images back on. Images is still on, so I'm going to lasso over it, and then you have this toolbar pop up here. So this is where you can resize, you can add the elements, you can cut it, duplicate it, delete it, or you have some more options here with moving it to the front, back, copying it, taking a screenshot, etc. So if I want to resize this, I'm going to click right here on resize, and then it's going to give me these anchor points where I can pull out and resize the sticker. So that is how you can resize the sticker after you've already placed it without having to go in and bring a new version of it back in. Another really great option to use with the lasso tool is to take a screenshot. So let's say you wanted to use a sticker like this January one right here, and you wanted to hide what is behind the text, what is behind the sticker, and you wanted to hide this January text. All that you would need to do is take a screenshot of any white area, go up here and export, and then copy. Then you're just going to long press to paste, and then you can make a white area and cover up any part of your digital planner and have any white area in there, and then you can cover up and customize it. You can kind of see here that I'm going to have to send this to the back now because this white sticker or this white screenshot that I took came in after I had already added the sticker here. So all I'm going to do is tap on it, click these three dots, and hit go to back, and now that sticker will go behind and be behind that sticker. So this is basically essentially how you use the lasso tool. It is to move around any images, handwriting, text within your planner. And it's how you're going to move things throughout, how you're going to place your stickers, how you're going to move your text, how you're going to resize things. You're basically going to use it to do almost everything that you need to do in Goodnotes. And every time you tap off of a tool, it's going to automatically reset back to the lasso tool. So this is the tool you're going to be on all the time unless you select another tool from here. If you're in toolbar, and then when you're done with that tool, it's automatically going to go back to the lasso tool.